Mediocrity is a disease. Anything we do, if you are mediocre in it, we will never experience fulfillment in life, never experience satisfaction in life. Fulfillment and satisfaction can come in any activity only when we give our 100%. We keep bettering ourselves, we achieve excellence, we achieve a mastery in it. Then that very activity becomes meditative. But how to achieve excellence, how to achieve mastery in whatever we do? What is the secret? The secret is a strong foundation. When you have to build a very strong, tall building, the foundation has to be very strong. In the same way, in any life, in any skill that we learn, we want to achieve excellence, our foundation has to be strong. So today the shlok we are going to learn is about a direction and an instruction about how to build a strong foundation in life, which is called in Sanskrit Dhrida Bhumi. This shlok is from Patanjali, Maharishi Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Dirgha Kal. To build a strong foundation, what you need? You need patience and perseverance. You need to do one thing for a long period of time. Whether it is your music or dance or cooking or sports, mastery comes only when you spend a long period of time. If you are looking for instant fame, instant success, you will left being mediocre. You can never achieve legendary status in that. So Dirgha Kal, do you have the patience and perseverance? Nairantarya, continuous, consistent, without a break. Dirgha Kala Nairantarya Satkara Sevito. Normally when you see people who are great singers, great musicians, great sportsmen, they have lot of respect and reverence to the subject, to their own practice. You see any great person, he will worship his sport. He or she will worship their subject. It is for them, it is the highest form of meditation. It is not doing for the sake of doing to get some compliments from someone, to impress people around. No. It is a form of worship for them. So Satkar Sevito means a lot of reverence for the practice, for your own hard work, for your own subject which you are trying to master. So these three things are there in your life. Only then you can build a strong foundation. Dirgha Kala Nairantarya Satkara Sevito Dhrida Bhumi. And when the foundation is strong, you can achieve excellence. You can rise above mediocrity and achieve excellence in life. So whether it is something material or something spiritual, you are mastering the skill of living in the present moment. For example, if you want to master the skill of being so much in the present moment, then there is a sadhana, there is a practice, the Sudarshan Kriya, the breathing techniques, the meditation, the wisdom. So what you need to do, you need to practice that for a long period of time without any break and with a lot of respect and reverence. Then your foundation will be strong. Then we can hope to live a life fulfilled and experience deep happiness and satisfaction. Thank you.